Is your iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max locked by your Apple ID, stuck on activation lock, or restricted by MDM? Many iPhone 14 users want to jailbreak iPhone 14 or 14 Pro Max to remove iCloud or Apple ID restrictions and unlock their deactivated iPhones. In this video, I'll show you the most secure and effective iPhone 14 jailbreak solution in 2026. Please watch the full video and choose the method that suits your situation. All screen recordings in this video are captured using Focus C. Method 1. Jailbreak iPhone 14 Pro 14 Pro Max via traditional jailbreak tools. You might search on Google or YouTube and find tools claiming to jailbreak iPhone 14 or jailbreak iPhone 14 Pro Max with one click or for free, offering iOS 26 jailbreak for iPhone 14. However, the truth is that the iPhone 14 series uses a newer security architecture, and many publicly available jailbreaking tools cannot fully support it, carrying a high risk of endless reboots, data loss, or the installation of fake software. Method 2. Jailbreak iPhone 14 via iTunes/Finder. To avoid security risks, you can try restoring your iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max through the official iTunes or Finder. Open iTunes or Finder on your computer. Connect your iPhone 14 to your computer. Put your iPhone 14 in recovery mode. Click Restore. However, iTunes may encounter errors, and this method requires the original Apple ID. What should you do then? Method 3. Jailbreak iPhone 14 via professional iCloud unlock tool for iOS devices locked by activation lock. Any unlock offers a simple solution. It automatically jailbreaks iPhone 14 Pro 14 Pro Max and removes the iCloud lock in minutes without the original Apple ID required. After bypassing, you can sign in with a new iCloud account and freely access iOS services. It also supports removing iPhone lock screen, unlocking Apple ID, bypassing MDM restrictions. Works on both Windows and Mac for all compatible iOS devices. Free download and launch any unlock on your computer. Connect your iCloud locked iPhone 14s via USB. Choose Bypass iCloud Activation Lock from the menu. Click Start Now to begin. Then click Bypass Now. Set the device to DFU mode according to the instructions. And your iPhone 14 will automatically start jailbreaking. The tool will automatically remove the activation lock in just a few minutes. Success! Now you can freely set up your iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max and use it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.